Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Meron silang term for cherry blossoms viewing. It's called Hanami. Ang ganda nga dito. Kita yung temple. Feeling ko yung iba yung napapanood na vlog. May araw, umaga. At least ito kakaiba. Sa gabi tayo maghahanami. May mga may dala talaga ng alak. Ganon, mga lasing kami nakakasalubong. Kakain tayo tonight. Late night drinking. Ang nice naman dito. Very Japanese. Actually, ang daming chicken. Hindi nagigive ng justice yung camera. Guys, ang laki nito. Like, wait. Para comparison. Ang laki. Hello guys, konnichiwa. Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Tokyo, Japan. And it's our last night here in Tokyo. And magpupunta tayo ngayon sa Meguro River. Since Thursday, di pa ako nakita talaga ng maraming cherry blossom. So ito yung goal natin. From Shinjuku Station, it's Yamanote, JR Yamanote line. Bababa tayo sa Meguro Station. Bumubulong lang tayo. Kung kayo guys ay magta-travel, Japan or anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities, hotels on Klook. And just may promo code Dave Kinukluk para maka-discount kayo. You can also book your hotels on Agoda and just may code Dave Agoda para maka-discount kayo. Alright, nakalabas na sa Meguro Station. Sinot yung tour guide natin. Siyang local dito eh. Nakalabas na tayo sa Meguro Station. Lakad na. Mau pa rin good magkutya na Di ganun kalamig. Sakto lang. Aircon lamig. Just right. Sana umabot tayo sa... Uy, may lanterns. Bukas may lanterns. Yung Meguro River, yun yung isa sa mga most famous spots for cherry blossoms dito sa Tokyo. Lalo na kapag gabi. Kasi may lanterns like this. Kaya tayo nandito sa Japan. Because it's my goal to see cherry blossoms. Sabi ko na before, ang ganda ng symbol niya. Nagsisimbolize siya ng fleeting nature of life. Just like how cherry blossoms bloom beautifully, pero ilang weeks lang, days to weeks, ganyan din yung buhay. Alright? It's short, but it's beautiful. Dami kong sinabi. First time ko sa area na to, dami din palang kainan. Feeling ko everywhere in Tokyo, ang daming kainan. Like, food hub. It's a food hub.
Multi-use on most of the properties here. So,
Multi-what? Multi-use. By multi-use, you mean?
So, it's like residential, commercial, then may mga food, etc. So unlike maybe like the US na puro lang commercial nga and then there is
residential.
Here everything is multi-use.
Multi-use. Kung first time yung mapanood yung vlog ko, so kasama ko si Nol, friend natin from Tacloban, at dito siya nag-aaral. University of Tokyo, may mga skyscrapers naman. Tara, let's go. O, diba? Daming Japanese resto. Would you know kung bakit may mga lanterns sa Meguro?
I'm not sure, but they have it in all of the Sakura spots. And then you can see na yung pangalan nila dyan. Those are the names of local shops.
Names of local shops?
Yeah, so kanina may nakita akong Anytime Fitness, etc. So local businesses, they help sponsor this event.
Nice info. Kaya daw merong mga ganyan, may mga lanterns kasi ibig sabihin, cherry blossom spots. So hindi ito all year round, no?
No, I think kasi even in Ueno you'll find this.
Okay.
So kung saan may cherry blossom, usually may makikita kang ganito.
Alright. Oh, may cherry blossoms dito. Mukhang totoo naman. Ay, sana may maabutan pa tayo kasi yung schedule niya 5 to 8. Nakabukas yung lanterns.
And today is the last day.
Today is the last day?
Only up to April 6.
Oh my goodness, today is the last day. Sana in-extend nila. Kasi last day ngayon na may lanterns. Lord, ibigay mo na po sa amin ito. Maraming salamat po. Just like how you gave the Mount Fuji view earlier. Wala na? Hala. Ito na yun? Ay, oo. Hala, wala na. Sige, tara. Wala nang lights. Sad naman ako. Pero meron pa tayong mapupunta, no, Ueno. So, very on time ang Japan lagi. Very on time siya. Kahit dito, kapag sinabing hanggang alas 8 lang, hanggang alas 8 lang. Pero it's nice. Ha?
Sayang ang ganda pa naman.
Sayang, no? Hanggang 8 lang. Titipid ng kuryente. Feeling ko mas maganda talaga to pag may lights. May mapupuntan pa tayo na Ueno. na may ilaw din.
Sana, I'm not sure. I don't, yung last time ko pagpunta doon, I think couple weeks ago.
Couple of weeks ago. May ilaw?
Umaga.
Umaga. Yung na-search mo, may ilaw ba siya?
Nung na-search ko may ilaw
Until what
siya,
time?
pero 11 daw, until closing. Pero,
Until closing.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Ito yung Meguro Street. O, Meguro River.
Mas marami sa Ueno.
Bueno, ay sige. Sige, pero ito.
Shall we go? Actually, if you want, pwede tayo mag-taxi.
Magkano?
Let's see how much. Kasi by car, it's only 17 minutes.
70 minutes by car.
Pero, let's see how much.
Sige, go. Search.
Actually, most idea.
Oo.
Hindi mo kailangan ng lights.
Yeah. Tara. Lakad na lang tayo makanan piso here
Okay, sure.
to appreciate this. Cherry blossoms of Japan. Look. Palagas na rin to, no?
Maybe a week or something.
Hindi na siya as makapal. Nalit na din kasi tayo ng balik from Mount Fuji. At least may picture dapat ako dito. Wait lang. Sa streets, bukas pa yung lanterns. Sana tinodo na nila. Last day, oo. Hanggang dun sa cherry blossoms. 50-minute away. 40 something.
Ano no? 30
Ueno.
plus.
30 plus man la. Ueno.
Pero
Kaya.
38.
38.
So malapos.
Titingnan natin. Today naman yung Mount Fuji niraos natin Tingnan natin kung patuloy na mag-aalay ng stars for us. Yun talaga yung sikat, no? For cherry blossoms, Ueno Park.
You have cherry blossom even though
Yeah. Pero iba din yung vibe ng river kanina. Maganda yung river. Sinasabi ko na sana sumakses din tayo here just like the Mount Fuji experience natin. Kasi kanina traffic tayo ng malala. Dumating tayo sa may Mount Fuji na covered siya with clouds. Pero after namin mag-launch, nagpakita na yung Mount Fuji in its full glory na napakaganda. Sana ganun din yung lights tonight magpakita sa atin. Ito na. Dito na tayo sasakay, no? Alright.
hope na Ueno Park is still
38 minutes. What time na?
8:40.
Kaya. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome. Here. Welcome to Ueno. No. Okay. Ueno Station na tayo. Today pala is April 7. Yung trip natin ay first week of April. April 4 or April 3? April 3 tayo dumating. Tapos yung week daw, last week talaga, nung dumating tayo, yun talaga yung peak cherry blossoms na in full bloom. Cherry blossoms in full bloom. Tinapat ko yung trip ko talaga sa first week ng April kasi first of all, it's first week of the quarter. So supposedly, wala na masyadong ganap at work. Pero marami pa rin. Kasi at work, last quarter lagi talagang intense. Yeah, the pressure and all, it's intense. Tapos usually kapag first week of the quarter, medyo chill na yan kasi galing tayo sa intense na last week of the quarter. Pero nag-work pa rin naman tayo kasi ang daming ganap. Kaya hindi rin tayo nakalabas nung Friday sa gabi lang. Minute natin yung office mate natin. I mean yung teammate natin. May Japanese colleague. Kasi last year sa Tokyo din, nandun tayo first week sa Korea last year, nandun din tayo ng first week of April at napakaganda ng cherry blossom sa Korea, guys. Seoul and Jeju. Solid. Kaya ginawa ko rin ngayon, first week of April. Tapos yun din yung flight, murang flight. Actually, balikan natin nasa 14,000. Alam kong mahal pa yun kung makakabook tayo ng piso sale. Pero, ayun, pinush ko talaga na makapag-Japan. And we're here, 9 p.m. And Yeah, mukhang close na yung mga establishments dito. Ito yung ano natin, experience, maghanami at night. At least, feeling ko yung iba yung napapanood na vlog, may araw, umaga. At least ito kakaiba, sa gabi tayo maghahanami. Late night. Parang ano lang to, nung last night ko sa Korea, sinamahan ako ni Hazel King, bumisit sa K-drama spot, filming location ng Lovely Runner. Yun. Tapos, na-late na rin siya ng dating sa Suwon, kaya gabi na kami nagpunta. And it turned out, mas maganda yung vibe, kakaiba. Yung vibe nung filming spot, yung cafe na pinuntahan namin, yung neighborhood at night. So, it's an experience. That experience reminds me of this, na gabi na rin tayo nagpunta para, kunwari, iba yung vibe dyan. Pero ang ganda. Mas maganda yung ilaw dito. Ayan o. Cherry blossoms. Ang ganda. As in, ang laki ng Ueno. Ay, may Ueno Zoo nga eh.
Ueno Zoo, there's the panda.
May panda sa Ueno Zoo.
Actually, and then here, there's usually may event dito sa near the National Museum. I think may event kanina pero closed na.
Yung National Museum, nandito lang din sa area na to.
Yeah. Imperial Museum, National Palace Museum.
Uy, close na yung yung mga ilaw.
Close na.
Pero
it's still...
Yeah. Maliwanag pa rin. At maraming tao. Okay lang naman.
Tingnan mo, it's an entire street.
Yeah, ang ganda.
Without lights, it's still
True.
very beautiful.
Even without the lanterns. Ang ganda. I hope the camera gives justice to how beautiful the street is. Sakura Dori. May dedicated street talaga for Sakura. Buti ito yung hinuli natin. Buti ito yung hinuli. Kasi mas maganda to.
Actually, no?
Oo, mas maganda to. Wow. So, dito sa Ueno, itong kahabaan na to, ano talaga siya, puro cherry blossoms. And dami pa rin tao, alas 9 na, pamipamilya, magkakaibigan, tapos may kasama pang animal, pet rather, and animal talaga, may kasama animal. Ang weird. Ang weird na may kasamang animal.
May ini-insulto.
Oo, may kasamang animal. This Ueno Park, it's one of the largest and oldest parks in Tokyo. So, na-build ito noong 1800s. And popular talaga yung Ueno sa cherry blossoms. In fact, nag-host ito ng Cherry Blossoms Festival. Nasayang din natin na experience. Ganda. Ganda dito. Please do not touch the cherry blossoms. Bawal hawakan yung cherry blossoms dito. Paskito yung lanterns doon. Hain Temple. Where? Okay. I di man. Ay, bagan mas ma-open view nga dito. Pero here, maliwanag. As in, mahaba to. Parang ikutin lang natin.
Ano paggawa ni front na?
Sige, tara.
Tapos may dangad to dakong cherry blossom tree.
Okay.
Ambot to may lights pa nga.
Let's go. Lakad tayo. Yeah, it's nice. Sandito yung mga lanterns. Interesting yung sinabi ni Nolp na itong mga lanterns.
Yan, Hoteru Santagas.
Uy, yung iba may ilaw pa. Char lang. Parang ito daw binabalik tayo sa past kasi tama before magka-electricity ganyan. Ito yung source of liwanag nila, yung lanterns. Ang nice nun. Okay, Ueno Park yan.
So, kung kita na nga dito
Sige,
kita.
sige ko, bahala, Nolp. Tara.
See here, half front, then come back.
Sige. Uy, nga di dapat kita na agi. Keep left.
Sorry, not pa. Kanina pa ako. Jaywalking.
Not following instruction ka, Nolp. Dito sa may bandang dulo. Wala nag-aano. Nandun yung first part ng street. Pinakamarami. Yung maganda. Solid. May mga stalls dito ito, mga kainan or may event?
Kainan. I think they were here for the entire Sakura Festival.
Kailan yung Sakura Festival?
Late March?
Late March?
No, mid-March I think.
Okay.
They're open
Mid-March.
mga afternoon pa.
Mm,
So, I think today last day nagka-close up na sila.
yeah, today yung last day. Ang sad naman. Osaka.
Osaka, mag-start pala?
I'm not sure. Punta ko ng Osaka, Kyoto.
Hopefully.
Hopefully,
May cherry blossom.
may ganito. Ayan ba yung sinasabi mo?
Green na hiya. Ito hiya kasi cherry blossom ito hiya.
Ayan?
Oo.
So, nag-ano na siya?
Oo.
Wala na.
Waray na. Green na hiya.
Green na siya.
Pero hiya kasi pinaka-first nga nag-bloom.
Napicturean mo pa hiya?
Oo.
Ang ganda. Makita daw ako ng picture?
Ini.
Okay. Nice. Tapos ito may lantern. Okay. They're just having fun. Yung mga tao dito. Tara. Puntahan natin yan. Ay. Lakaran na naman. Natrauma kanina. Okay. Natrauma kayo sa Mount Fuji. Look. Ganda pa ng cherry blossoms. Tapos may mga kainan dito. Mga barbecue. Yan o. Mga street food. Cute. Close na rin naman yung yung temple. Pero I think it's nice to take a photo here. Kasi may cherry blossom. Yan nga eh. Look, ganda. Wow. This is nice. Wow. Ang ganda naman ng temple na to. Look. May cherry blossoms dito sa side. Wow. Relax. Relax dito. Actually, damot cherry blossoms kaya pala yun, no? Marami ding cherry blossoms sa likod ng temple. Kaso na pala to, may body of water. Di tayo makaka-cross. Pwede makaka-cross. Ito, ang ganda. Ang laki pala ng uweno.
May light man niya, white lang.
Ang ganda. I mean, totoo, kung magche-cherry blossom, kung maghahanami, I think, uweno. Marami kayong pwedeng punta na cherry blossom spot. Umaga, no? Daming tao. Ngayon, di naman ganun karami. Ito, hidden gem. I mean, hindi siya nasa main street. Tapos, yes, may lights. Walang lanterns, pero may lights dito yung cherry blossoms. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Best decision, no? We went here, Ueno Park. Nice. Grabe. Look. Beautiful. Tapos ito, may mga pond. Pond ini Tapos pwede mag-boat ride nga pwede mag-boat ride dito. I love this. Better than the main street. Mas gusto ko nga di kaysa Main Street. Romantic. Tapos the lights are giving. Plus may pond.
Tokyo Skytree.
Where is the Tokyo Skytree? Oh, malapit lang to sa Sensoji Temple. Hindi. That's the tallest, no? Tokyo Skytree. In Japan, tallest building. Tapos may view ka doon ng a temple. Okay na ako, no? Pwede ako pauwi. Pero kain muna tayo. Pero okay na ako. Satisfied ako sa cherry blossoms experience ko. Ganda. I was saying, meron silang term for cherry blossoms viewing. It's called hanami. So yung Japan ay may mga terms talaga no, na walang English equivalent na word talaga. This hanami. Ay, uy, ang ganda nga dito. Kita yung ano, temple.
Kita siya lagi.
Ay, I love that. Galing mo, Nolp. Looks like a popcorn.
It's the beauty of it. Mukha siyang popcorn.
Mukhang popcorn. It's really a vibe here. Nice. May mga may dala talaga ng alak, ganon, mga lasing kami nakakasalubong. Tapos sabi ni Nolp, ito daw talaga yung purpose ng Hanami. To bond with friends over drinks. Pero may iba talaga na yan talagang bonding. Picnic sa park. Na-enjoy ko yung tonight, lalo na sa may river. Ay, river? Dun sa may walkway, sa may pond. Yan yung pinaka chill, relax na area for me dito. Tapos, ang daming elements kasi makita mo yung body of water, may lights pa, tapos yung temple. Ikaw, Nolp, anong masabi mo sa ating Hanami at night experience?
It's very, finally nakahanap rin tayo.
Nang may ilaw.
May ilaw.
Well lit.
Yes.
Yan.
So, Ueno Park pa rin.
Ueno Park pa rin talaga. Buti naman siya may Ueno Park. Kasi yung Meguro, it's beautiful, but walang ilaw, lights kulang, oo. Ay, less ang pangbenta. Pero kung pupunta talaga kayo for cherry blossoms, Ueno Park is the key, okay? Ngayon kakain na kami. Oops. Galing tayo sa Ueno Park for cherry blossoms viewing, or they call it Hanami. Ngayon, pupunta tayo. Ito ba? Ito yun. Wow! Kakain tayo tonight. Late night drinking with Nolp here in Ueno. Oh! Let's go. Ang nice naman dito. Nice. Very Japanese. I love it. What is this place called?
Chiba-chan.
Chiba-chan?
Chain niya. So, mga convenient mong paraton.
Mura. Chain to. Tapos itong favorite nyo ng friends mo.
Not really, but
Wala kayong choice eh.
walang choice.
Sige, ikaw lang mag-order. It's giving. Mainit-init lang, so tanggalin natin jacket natin. Late night drinking in Ueno.
Karagi is Japanese fried chicken.
What is hapu-hapu?
Half-half.
Half-half?
Shoyo, which is soy sauce. Half karai, which is spicy.
Alright.
Tapos dalawang rice. Gohan, kutatsu. And then, I forgot the last. Kalpi sour.
Kalpi sour.
They call the very big size ng drinks na baka sour here.
So, hindi naman big yung atin.
Big yun.
Tig-isa tayo big? Sige.
Pero it's not very alcoholic.
Okay,
So,
sige. It's our last night tonight. Tapos pinapainom tayo ni Nolp in Tokyo. I mean Tokyo. It's our last night tonight.
Last day of spring break. So,
Yeah. Last day of spring break.
day of spring break.
So you deserve to drink. You did well during the spring break. Dami mong ganap eh.
Yeah.
Internship, etc.
Very busy.
Very busy. Papasok ka na naman.
Yes.
Si Nolp, classmate natin to from college. Naging naging classmate din sa Leyte High. Orgmate din natin siya sa UP. From Tacloban talaga kami. Oh, this is so huge. Guys, ang laki nito. Like, wait. Para comparison. Ang laki. Late night drinking talaga. Mag-11 na. Okay, Nolp. How do we eat this?
Well, it's fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Okay. So, ito, yung pangalan niya ay Chiba-chan. Di ko sure kung anong branch to, pero Chiba-chan. It's a chain daw. Dito sa Tokyo. Tapos tingnan yung laki. Tapos hindi naman siya super alcoholic.
No.
Hindi.
Ay, malapso yun.
Bakit nyo favorite to? Bakit yung binabalik-balikan to?
Actually, I don't know. Sumasama lang ako sa mga kaibigan.
Kasi mura.
Kasi mura.
So sabi mo, ito yung mga pang-broke students.
Yeah. Actually, hindi nga kasi medyo pricey nga siya. Pero malaki kasi yung alak.
Okay. So, sulit.
Yes.
If you want a late night drink. Sige, tara. Look, actually, ang daming chicken. Hindi nagigib ng justice yung camera, pero ang dami nito. So, kita natin dito, may mga locals talaga nagpupunta, no?
Locals and foreigners.
Locals and foreigners. Pero ngayon, parang puro locals. Puro local siya.
Yeah.
May chopsticks out here.
Try this as well.
Ano to? What is this for?
Appetizer. Pero
Appetizer. This is a vibe. Tingnan natin yung manok. So, this is our way to end the day. Daw, kung marasa. Marasa is masarap in Waray. Tikman natin. Tikman natin ang manok ni Chiba-chan. May tinit pa.
hindi mo tada ng spicy though. Spicy. Oh no. Sorry.
Sarap ng manok. It's very tasty. My gosh, ang laki. Alcoholic?
Kalpis sour.
Parang juice. Sarap. Sarap kalpis. Kalkis?
Kalpis.
Kalbis. Unbound milk?
Oo.
Yeah. Familiar.
Hindi pala nirang alcoholic. Butangan na ang butangan.
Japanese product pala yan. Yung, yung parang
Ito yan.
milk na soda or yogurt ba yun?
Ang kuya.
Sulit. Buti malaki yung order mo. To quench our thirst. Deserve natin yung...
Tapos di rin yan super alcohol. Super ka lang mag-ininom.
May factor ba yung anime kaya gusto mo yung Japan? Kaya dito ka nag-stay?
Before, when I was still in college. Pero after I started working, parang I didn't watch that much anime anymore. So,
Yung chicken, crispy on the outside and very juicy in the inside. Wow. Crispy noodles. Since last night natin sa Tokyo, tinatanong tayo ni Nolp,
do you think about Tokyo?
what do I think about Tokyo? After 4 nights, hindi kasi ako masyadong nakalabas talaga nung first day and second day ko kasi nag-work ako. Pinaka-experience ko talaga, Disney Sea, pati yung Mount Fuji today. These two are, feeling ko, very Japan. So, very Japan experience na paid. Feeling ko smart. Japan is smart. Just like what I told you earlier, in packaging itself. In packaging itself as a country, they really highlight yung their symbols. For example, Mount Fuji. Gusto ko yung everywhere we go in Fuji kanina, may symbol siya ng mountain. Yung Disney Sea din, ang ganda. I love how the local culture is integrated. Japanese songs.
Even if it's a Western brand.
Yeah. Even if it's a Western brand. And we really felt the hospitality, even of Cinderella. Si Cinderella, kinausap ako ng matagal before magpa-picture. Tapos everyone was smiling. May narinig ako actually from a Hong Kong Disneyland intern before. Tapos sabi niya, yung better Disneyland daw talaga is Tokyo. Because people here are here not to work, but to be their characters. Yun din yung na-feel ko sa Tokyo Disney Sea. They want me to experience Disney Sea. Yung pakiramdam ko kay Cinderella, gusto niya talaga ma-feel ko na siya sa Cinderella talaga. Pero I'd expect kasi, very quick picture taking.
Na parang trabaho lang.
Trabaho. Pero kahapon, kinakausap niya talaga ako. Ini-invite niya ako. Feel na feel niya talaga. I think that what makes Tokyo, Japan different, yung experience mo talaga sa things, really makes you experience the country. Kapag nasa Tokyo ka, alam mong nasa Tokyo ka. Kapag nasa Fuji ka, alam mong nasa Fuji ka. Kapag nasa Tokyo Disneyland ka, alam mong Tokyo Disneyland yun. Or alam mong Tokyo Disney Sea yun. Very unique. Everything in Japan, stellar. Favorite place? Second time natin in Japan. But, grabe yung Mount Fuji talaga. I mean, grabe. Wild. Kahit walang cherry blossoms tayo nakita, the Mount Fuji in itself, everywhere we go, I think kahit nasa barong-barong tayo, tapos makita nating Mount Fuji, kahit basurahan niyang nandyan, tapos may background Fuji in the background, oh, that's Mount Fuji, ganun.
So Mount Fuji.
Mount Fuji.
Ichiban.
Grabe. Kasi kanina hindi din natin in-expect na makikita natin siya in its full glory. Kasi cloudy, traffic pa kami. Forecast ay uulan, pero nakita natin. So, it was a great surprise. Generally, okay lang din pala magkaberya. We experienced the worst first. Kasi pag makita natin yung best, step by the step, sumakses ka.
Parang na-feel mo.
Na-feel mo, true. Na-feel paghihirap. Tapos, the stars aligned for us. Basta I love Japan. Everywhere we go, daming kainan. Everywhere we go, alam mong Japan. Even if it's 2025, I think yung culture, yung traditions is preserved. Just look at this restaurant. You know it's Japan. Look at the lanterns. 1,769 yung kinain namin, guys, plus drinks. 1,700 plus in pesos. So I think okay na yun. So meron sila iba't ibang fee dito. May fee sila na nag-stand out for me. Ito yung seating fee.
Yeah,
Seating
common
fee.
in Japan for most drinking places.
For most drinking places, common daw yun na may seating fee. Ibig sabihin, dito kayo kakain. Yung chicken, magkano? Ang laki nun.
Chicken is around 300 pesos.
300 lang yun?
Kasi 1,000 ano lang.
Oh my gosh, ang dami
1,000
nun.
yan, so mga 390 pesos.
Tapos yung rice,
60 pesos.
60 pesos. Okay na. Yeah. Mura to. Ayan. So, thank you, Nolpa, for today.
So much for the Fuji trip.
For the Fuji trip. Siyempre, libre yun. Sige, Nolpa. Wait. Thank you so much. Next time, no, ha?
Enjoy Osaka.
Bye-bye! Salamat kay Nolp. Uwi na tayo at magpapahinga. Ito palang uwi, no? At 11:30-ish p.m. It's vibrant. Sa daw to sa mga major areas in Tokyo. Aside from Shibuya, Shinjuku. Ngayon, uuwi na tayo. Yun, guys. On our last night, kakahappy, we spent it with Nolp. Uminom sa isang very local na inuman place and kainan place. Ang sarap nung drink natin kanina, sarap ng chicken. So I just love everything about that place. Hindi din siya ganun kamahal. For budget travelers like us. So imagine around 700 plus lang kami each. May drinks na kami, may chicken pa kami na marami. Nakatuwa yung last night natin dito sa Tokyo that we spent it that way. So, kung kayo guys ay magto-travel in Japan, experience nyo rin yung mga late night inuman, ganon, for the local experience. Dito na tayo sasakay sa Ueno Station, guys. Tara. I-close ko na pala yung vlog na to, okay? Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin tonight. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. For sure, babalik pa tayo ng Tokyo. I love Tokyo. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!